Hey guys, Dale with Old School Rides. I just got back and we're picking up a new project. We'll show you guys loading it and a few things like that. And I'm gonna pop the hood, and I couldn't be more ecstatic. I told you guys I'm a Hemi guy. You saw our last Roadrunner Hemi video. We have got a crazy Barnfind. This car has 85,000 original miles on it, and I'm gonna go over and pop the hood, and we're gonna show you what's in it. Unbelievable. I almost think this thing's gonna clean up and run. Just so excited to get this thing home. We didn't even video while we were there picking it up. We videoed the loading and stuff like that. But here let's take a look at this motor and see what we got. So what we have here is a 1966 Satellite Convertible. And it's not just any Satellite Convertible. I'm gonna scooch down here on the fender. Looks like the emblems are gone, but you can see right here we got a couple little fender holes on this original paint job, original hubcaps, original black plate, and just an amazingly straight Satellite Convertible. It's got some cool features to it. It's got the little bumperettes on the bumpers, which are kind of hard to find. Looks like the trunk's been replaced. Okay, it's bucket seat, console, mirror's broken. I'm gonna zoom into that. 85,000 miles on it. Okay, amazing. It's a bucket seat console car. We'll get you guys some better views after we get her cleared up. But here's those little holes again down in the fender down here. Yep, and no emblem on it though. Looks like they've come off. So we're gonna see the bumperettes on the front bumpers. Grill's kind of straight, you know. All right, I'm gonna pop this hood now, and we'll show you what's underneath. Well, guys, here it is. Unmistakable 426 Hemi Satellite Convertible. Look, it's got the original bracket with the equipment on it. It's got, it definitely had a little mouse under the air cleaner. Dual quads. Look at everything in this car is just original fuel lines, alternators, belts, water container. This is an 85,000 mile original car. Look at the radiator, hoses. Nobody has molested this car. It was being used as a commuter. It's being stored right now. When I picked it up, and everybody talks about barn finds and some unbelievable things. This is truly an amazing car in great shape. And talk about rare. I think there was less than 25 of these guys made. And I don't know how many were 4-speeds. This is this unique kind of a red maroon color. A white top, black interior, original hubcaps, crazy Barnfind that I don't know. I want to pinch myself every time I look at this car and I see it here at Old School Rides. We'll go around it a little more and give you some more features here in a little bit. But I just wanted to get you guys a quick preview of it. We're gonna try and get this thing running. I don't know that it's gonna move ahead of my Roadrunner Hemi, but it will probably be done alongside it as far as trying to see if we can get it running. All right, guys, this is part 2 of my excitement. Not only did we get the 426 Hemi convertible, we got a big block 383 66 satellite convertible. It's a 2-car deal. I want you to take a look at this thing. It did get hit with a tree. Looks like it came down, landed really heavily right here, and just pulled this quarter down. You know, just kind of a bummer. Super great. Like the bumper lines up still straight across the back. Black plate car, awesome again. But it definitely pulled this sheet metal down. Look at that door gap. Like, it's kind of a crazy thing with that big V in it. But the bottom of the car is straight in a line. So it's just that quarter is rolled over. But this is a great find. You just don't, besides finding a 426 car, you don't find big block convertibles in this body. They seem to have, you know, smaller, you know, satellite. Got some beauty, some nice wheels on it there. But this is an excellent car. Something very unique about both these cars. I'm going to show you guys. Look at these rubber bumperettes on both cars, front and back. Just kind of a unique option that's on them. I cannot, you know, almost can't speak to get some unique vehicles like this and to be able to get them home and call them ours. I'm gonna stop for a second, open that door. Let's take a quick peek inside. I lied to you there. Had to come around the passenger side. That driver's door would not open up. I'm gonna sneak a peek in here. You know, bucket seats, console, pretty nice dash set up, lots of nice knobs. There's the gas cap, fell off that other quarter panel. But look at the interior and the panels and the things for these cars, just unheard of. You know, I'm gonna shut this door again. I was gonna show you, look at even the rocker chrome on these cars, you know, wheel lip chrome, just so many good pieces. It's just so exciting to get these. I'm gonna try and get this hood open while I got the camera here. Let's see what happens. And again, we have a big block 383, and it looks like it's a 2-barrel car, but a big block automatic bucket seat console 383. And look at this car again, all the hoses, the little containers for the wipers, the radiator, you know, all the overflow tanks, just, you know, unbelievably untouched. You just don't find these kind of vehicles anymore, and it's super awesome to get our hands on them. I'm beside myself. This is one of those finds of a lifetime. We know that Hemi car's found a permanent home here. Haven't decided quite what to do with this guy yet. But I can't say how pleased I am enough in regards to finding these things. Try and probably get this Hemi car going. I think we might try and start both of them. I don't know. I got to get Sam going here on this one with me. This car just needs somebody to pay some beautiful attention to it. You know, both vehicles are just awesome finds. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment. We will definitely be doing something with this car. I think I'm going to clean out the fuel, might rebuild the carburetors, you know, probably throw a new fuel pump on it, maybe a water pump, and we're going to try and start this one. You know, if that car starts and runs, I don't know what I'm going to do. There'll be some serious excitement going on. Hope you guys enjoy this segment of Old School Rides. You know, this is what makes it all worthwhile. Finding vehicles like this in today's world. You know, it's going to be a fun one to play around with, and I'm so excited about it. We'll see you guys soon. I definitely will make a video showing our progress on trying to fire up that car and get it running for you, so stay tuned. And we'll see you next time. Subscribe, Old School Rides. See you guys.